Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to make bread rolls. For this, first take boiled and mashed potato, 3 tablespoons of oats, onion chopped, curry leaves chopped, coriander leaves chopped, chopped green chillies, boiled sweet corn and grated carrot. To this, add red chilli flakes, salt and chaat masala. Now mix all the ingredients. Use your hands and mix well completely. Now you can see the mixture is completely mixed. Now we will make this mixture into rolls. You can see how I am making. I am making medium size. Don't make too much big. Now all the rolls are ready. Now remove the sides of bread. You can see I am removing all the sides of the bread. Only the white part is taking. Now take a bowl of water, bread slices and the rolls are ready. Now take bread and dip into the water and squeeze extra water from it completely. Now take the potato mixture and put on it and roll it. You can see how I am making and cover it all sides completely. You can see I am covering the bread completely to the potato mixture. You can see I am showing the other one. Again dip bread in the water and squeeze the water. Now take the potato mixture and put on it and cover it. This is, you can see how I am rolling it and covering the bread to the potato mixture. Now all the rolls are ready. Now heat oil in the pan and put the bread rolls for deep frying. Deep fry on medium flame so that it will fry evenly. Fry till it comes to golden color. Now you can see the rolls are completely deep fried and the golden color is also achieved. Now take on the paper plate and serve with tomato ketchup. Now the bread rolls are ready. Now I am showing how to reuse the sides of the bread. Now take the sides of the bread. To this add the leftover potato mixture and sprinkle some water and mix well. You can see it is completely mixed. Now make rolls or tikkis. You can see I am making. Now these are ready and we'll deep fry it. Now deep fry the rolls and tikkis in the hot oil on medium flame. You can see. Now it is ready and also golden color is came. Now take from the hot oil and put on the paper plate. Now the leftover brown parts became into tikkis and rolls. Do try it and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.